How to add a search bar in Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about this platform called Wix, and I'm going to teach you how you could add a search bar for your Wix website. Now over here right now on our screen, we are currently on Wix website editor, and I'm going to add a search bar to my website. We're simply going to click on elements over here, and you're going to look for the search bar over here, and you're going to search for search bar, just like that. This makes it easier to find the specific elements that you have. Now over here, as you can see on the menu and anchor, we have our different search bars over here. You can simply choose the design that you would like to have. After that, you're going to click a specific search bar that you like. As you can see here, you can simply add and drag it into your page. And as you can see, we have our search bar over here. You can drag it to wherever you would like to put it. And just like that, we have our search bar on our website. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.